Good morning, Emerson Elementary. It looks like another blustery winter day today. Hats, mittens, snow pants, and boots are the best way to beat these frigid winter temperatures. Dress in your winter gear and hope for an early spring. Oh yes, one extra announcement. Keep your eyes open. It seems as though his eagle has landed right here in our school. Let's make it a wonderful Emerson Day.
This just it. Breaking news. It's winter!
Why are you wearing your boots and your snow pants today?
Because the teachers told me that we need snow pants and boots and hat and mittens and we can get to play in the snow.
I noticed you got like face masks today outside at recess. Could you put those on and kind of demonstrate those for us first? And Cam, I noticed you got double hoods going today. Your hood sweatshirt and your coat hood. Why did you choose that today?
So I can stay warm like everyone else.
Keep the ears and face warm too?
Mm-hmm.
And Joey, your coat zipped all the way to the top. Why did you make that choice today?
Because it's winter and we get warm.
Why are you wearing all those things?
Because it is cold outside. And we don't want our shoes getting ruined.
It's winter.
So I can play in the snow.
Oh, yeah. I just don't like being cold. Me neither. I'm always cold.
Is there any other reason to wear this stuff at recess?
So that you don't get frostbite.
What does a coat and a hat and boots and snow pants and mittens do?
It keeps you warm.
There.
I read somewhere that eagles like to live in North America. I wonder if that's why the eagle is here.
I don't know where that eagle came from, but they have some serious dance moves.
Do you think the eagle's here for winter vacation?
Oh, I didn't see you there. I think the eagle's a real songbird.
I think the eagle's here to help us soar to success.
Sorry for the interruption. Just want to let everybody know the eagle has landed.
Looks like the eagle is here to stay. But what's his name?
Hello, eagle. Welcome to Emerson. What shall we call you?